back with another video. Hold on. I'm back with another video. Today I have a Taco Tuesday POV for y'all. Back with those. You know we going to those. I said we was gonna go back, and now we're going back. You know what I'm saying? By ourselves today. None of the guys is coming. Most of them got work. Understandable. But yeah, we finna go up there. Hope y'all enjoy this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all so much, man. It means a lot for the support. We just hit 5,000 subscribers, bro. I can't believe it. It's crazy. But yeah, bro. If you haven't already subscribed, like the videos, go back, watch a few videos, learn the history, and yeah, man. Thank y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera back. Oh, my bad. I'm gonna turn the camera back on whenever I get to the actual Taco Tuesday. Since nobody with me, I'm finna just chill and listen to my music, my Kevin Gates. But yeah. Go gas stop. One of you niggas got step on. When do you need that? Truck. It's a truck I'm looking at. Single cab. 2-door. This whole hard. With the all black. That whole hard. Got a couple V6s. Okay. Tight shit. No way. He finna come back over here. Fucking straight cold. turn back around because my way going home was that way. I just wanted to show out a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. Own up to that. Oh well, we all show out a little bit. But I don't have no more storage on the camera, so once I delete a couple things and get some storage on the camera,